చూసుకోండి మేడం, మేనేజర్ మీకు ఇచ్చాడు. ఈ మధ్య మన మైండ్ పోగొడతాడు. ఇవ్వండి ప్లీజ్. హలో ఏమో ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాడో చూసి ఫోన్ వచ్చిందని చెప్పు. నువ్వేనయ్యా బాబు, నువ్వేనంట కదా ఇక్కడ ఖాయం. ఏంటిది? తెలీదు. చూడు, నా మనసులో ఉన్నది నేను చెప్పాను.
Hello, Satish.
Hello.
Your mic is making noises. Okay. Good evening, ma'am.
Hi, good evening. Good evening, guys.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. How was your mock interview?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, in the sense, is it fine, okay, or
Fine,
It's
ma'am.
good, ma'am. They gave us suggestions like
mm-hmm.
to change something.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Sudhir, yeah. Yes, Sudhir, what kind of suggestions you got?
Behavioral changes, ma'am.
Huh?
Only change in behaviors, ma'am.
Change in
Behavioral,
EBRS.
behavioral interview. Like I have to go through.
Okay. So behavior in the sense you need to be strong in talking, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Technically you're good, but you need to be confident and your flow should be correct and you have to be confident in talking. So even I do got your interviewers feedback and all, so that's the reason I'm discussing individually. So yes, Sudhir, what you need to do is your communication you need to improve and you have to be very confident while talking, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
just try work on it. So there you're technically really good. Like you have executing the queries, you're doing the performance. Technically, it's good, but presentation is important. What you know is not how you present. See, even if you know like a little, that's fine. Even if you know somewhere, okay, but you need to present it perfectly. So that presentation is important. Whatever you thought, whatever programming you know, you need to make others to understand that. So that is what important over here.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
And next, Sudhir is done, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ravikant,
Yes, ma'am.
Ravikant,
Yes, ma'am.
how was your interview?
Yes, fine. Everything fine. I have told every answer,
You feel
and
your
they
answers were correct?
yes, ma'am. And they also asked me in question in SQL,
Yes, yes.
update query bit and finding the data between the salary.
Okay.
Yeah, but I expected to ask in coding questions also.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's no problem in mock interview, but I have to prepare myself.
Yes. So, oh, that's fine. Your communication was a bit good. What you need to concentrate is you need to prepare well. You are not confident on your answers, on your topics. That is what. See, and now I know you. You are performing code and everything. I know you. So basically, if you do one or two mistakes, I can catch. Okay, they know the thing. Somehow they have done some mistake. But there, it was very new. So there, the interviewer and the companies men who are interviewing is completely. They don't know you. You need to showcase yourself very clearly. You
Yes,
need to
ma'am.
express your concepts very clearly. Even if you doubt, they feel like you don't know. That's it.
Yeah, ma'am.
You are
I have
not clear on the
explained.
concepts.
Yeah, I have explained everything. They also asked me real time example. I have explained it.
Hmm.
But some
Still in depth, you need to go with the basics.
yeah, I have to go in
Okay.
basic depth. I have to
Yeah.
define clearly every logic.
Yes. And even what you need to do is in basics, you need to go depth and you need to be very clear. They'll be asking pin to pin from your answer itself.
Yes, ma'am.
From your answer itself, they'll be asking.
Yes, ma'am.
So you need to be very clear while giving the answers and be confident on your answers. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. So basic thing, only two things you require as a developer. You require good communication skills, good confidence, and even technical. So technically, okay, fine, you can develop it, and already you are having technically, you're answering. Okay, good. But it's not that one word answers never been accepted, and even the sentences should be very clear. Whenever if they ask a small thing, what you need to do is you need to elaborate and tell and show them that yes, I'm knowledge and I'm
How
perfect
to
at
represent
this.
yourself, how to representing yourself.
Hmm. That is what you need to present them very clearly, Ravikant. So please concentrate. So sixth you are having, so today mock, that's fine, but sixth it's the thing where you need to face, right?
Mhm.
And the code snippets will be there as mock interview, like only online mode, so they will conducted. But coming to company, yes, you will be having code snippets itself.
Okay.
Okay, just be concentrate on your basics also. And then Satish, what happened, Satish?
Ma'am,
How was your interview?
nice ma'am.
How do you feel about your interview?
I think it's good.
You think it's good? Are you confident on that?
Yes, ma'am. But I
Mhm.
don't. I don't know some questions answers.
Huh.
That's it.
Then what you did?
Good. I
Hmm?
prepare myself and some more questions I need want to know.
So, one thing you need to be developed in your communication skill, and you also need to concentrate on the concepts to be very clear and confident. That is what Satish, the same thing what I told Ravikant. One word or single line answers will never define your concept. So whatever asked to you, you need to give it very clarified, defined, descriptive manner.
Actually,
Yes,
ma'am,
sir.
logics is very clear, but the main thing is that we don't. Actually, मैम कहते हैं ना पूरे हम रट्टा नहीं मारते कोई भी चीज वर्ड को, वो रटा हुआ वर्ड नहीं होता, वो रटा हुआ वर्ड नहीं कहा जाता बस.
Uh-huh. Okay. So be confident. Prepare yourself. See, I can understand, but I can't go in that Hindi and India slang, but I can understand. Yes. So that is what only one thing I can tell you guys. You and Ravikant, Steve, you are having concept. Technically, logic, you can crack it out. If any error, you are ready to solve it. But you need to present that in front of interviewer.
Yes,
So
yes,
they
yes.
never observe you continuously for 1 hour. They'll be taking you just for 5 minutes or 10 minutes or
Yes.
half an hour. That's it.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
in that half an hour, at that time, what you're speaking, that is important.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the reason. Be confident at that time. Whatever you speak, just don't define it with single word or two words or one line. Just make it in depth and make sure that yes, they have to feel by listening your answers, yes, oh, they were very clear in the basics and they were very confident and strong,
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
right? So same thing for you both, Ravikant and Satish, almost similar you got. And then Rishikesh,
Yes, ma'am. It was okay.
not okay, good, excellent.
No, it's okay. Was
It
it?
was okay.
Yes, it lasted around 10 minutes. So that's why.
Okay. So you are good, no more things for you, just carry on with the
Yes.
same thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? So
Yes.
your explanations and everything was really good. Your communications also good. Your confidence
Yes.
level was good.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, you can just carry on in the same way. Just try to go on, explore your concepts in depth.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. And coming to Sridhar. Sridhar, are you there? Sridhar joined today? I don't think he's there. Okay. Nitin, Venkatesh. Venkatesh is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Venkatesh, you want to talk with me about your interview?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay. How do you feel? How it is?
Yeah, it's okay, ma'am.
Okay. Just okay.
Yeah, they told
Hmm.
your speak is very fast, so
Hmm. Still, what they told?
they told your speaking speed is very speed, so we can understand your word. So speak slowly, and then that's all, ma'am.
Don't feel tensed.
Yeah,
That only
okay.
one word I can tell you, because everything was fine. Your communication, explanations, and everything was fine. Your skill set were also good. What you need to do is don't feel tensed and don't be
Okay,
in
ma'am.
hurry.
Yeah, okay,
Okay?
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Only that small thing. Just try to practice. Be confident. So don't feel any kind of trends, and try to improve your concepts with core Java and the connectivities. Okay, already it
Yes,
was
ma'am.
good, but even though, just go on exploring in other concepts. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Mary Babu, are
Oh,
you
ma'am.
there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How was your interview?
It's good, ma'am.
It's good. Only good.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. But when I am saying about the answers, I get a little bit confused, ma'am. But he's saying, don't confuse, feel free. He is saying like that, ma'am.
You need to concentrate on SQL.
Ma'am.
You need to concentrate on database connectivity and SQL queries and all.
Yes, ma'am. I already I told SQL, madam. He asking about that display employee salaries between 5,000
Yes.
and 10,000. I said, ma'am.
Yeah, but you need
But
to learn. Somewhere you told
okay,
some
ma'am.
mismatch answer. So that is the
Okay.
reason. See, in the interview time, they never tell you about your answer is correct or not.
Okay, ma'am.
They will just get okay. They'll go for next. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Just go on with the SQL. Explore yourself. You need to improve your confidence level and don't get confused. Whatever you tell, be confident on your answer. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. And
Thank you.
next, Ritin.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Ritin. How was your
Ma'am,
interview?
yeah, ma'am. Basically, I'm new for this, and I had no idea they'll ask about SQL and all.
Okay.
So when they asked about Java, I had perfectly answered them, but in SQL, I had no idea, ma'am. So I didn't answer
Yes.
anything.
Even connectivity, you face some issue, right? Connectivity and SQL things.
And I had no idea that SQL topics are there because I'm new here. So I just thought
Okay.
Java will be there, and I had prepared only for Java.
Okay. That's fine. That's fine. Remaining all fine. What you need to do is just explore your topics. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I just need to concentrate on SQL.
Yeah. See, anyway, like any interview purpose, you require Java and then connectivity. It may be SQL or Oracle, whatever. But for sure, popular MySQL. So if you know MySQL, interviews would be somewhat easier to you.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay, and your concepts Java was fine, but you need to explore and get some more in depth of your concepts.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay.
Remaining all fine, your communication was excellent and your speech and everything was fine, but you need to concentrate on concepts.
Okay, ma'am.
Uh,
Thank you, ma'am.
yeah. Next, Prashant. Prashant, are you there? Prashant? Mohanta?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How was
Yes,
your
my
interview?
mock grade, ma'am. He is asking only fundamental SQL joins and how to connect a database and exception also. But his suggestion give me a suggestion. Give a suggestion. My backside light is on, so my face is not visible and reflect to my camera. So he's talking me it is a bad impression. So update your room. Then
Okay.
it's
That's okay. It's about room and all, right? It's
okay.
important how you concentrate when it is not a mock interview. Just try to make everything right. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So coming to your feedback, Prashant. Is it Prashant? Yeah, Mohanta. Good. Everything is good. You need to learn some more concepts. That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
Whatever you know, you're perfect in answering. Whatever you know, you're confident. But some more, explore yourself.
Okay.
Gauri?
you, ma'am.
Is Gauri is here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Gauri. How was your interview?
Ma'am, okay. I was not prepared for
Okay.
SQL, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. That is what Java fine, good, but SQL need to learn. That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Remaining all are fine. You can just go on in your way of style and all your communications, everything fine. Next, Bharatwaj. Bharatwaj. Okay. Anjali. Prasad. Prasad, are you there? Pratap.
This is Bharadwaj. How is mine?
I called you. You were not thing. Okay. Bharatwaj, it was excellent. Yes. Yeah. You need to just go through SQL. That's it. Okay. So yours it was excellent.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
your Java and everything, your communication skills, everything was well and good. You need to just explore your concepts and you need to concentrate on SQL. That's it. So mainly Java, if you are very perfect, that's fine. But the thing, at least you need to know one database. That's it.
Okay, ma'am. Definitely, ma'am.
Yeah. And yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, yep. Prasad or Pratap.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, who is this, Pratap or Prasad?
Pratap, ma'am.
Pratap. Okay. Pratap. How many questions were asked to you, Pratap?
5 questions.
12 questions. Okay, that's fine. You are having good communication skills. You need to just work on the conceptual knowledge.
Okay, ma'am.
Did not like you need to go with many concepts. Basically, you need to expand it. Yeah, that's all. Your good communication skills. Almost you answered every question, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yep, that's it. You need to just go on, just boost up the things. Next, Prasad. Prasad is not here. Okay, Nagaraj.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
You're here. How many questions were asked to you?
Ma'am, up to 6 to 8 questions asked. I was confused. My ma'am asked me which version do you know of Java, and I said Java 8, and I was not prepared on it. Actually, I know about Java 7. I'm confused over there, and they asked so many questions, and I failed to give the answers.
That's okay. Fine. It's a mock, right? So you need to be very much clear. See, Java 8, 11 or whatever the version, concepts are similar.
Yeah, right. Concepts are
that's
similar,
what.
Yeah, madam, you asked me new version questions that lambda expression, method reference, custom
Okay.
polymorphism, and I was little bit not
Okay, that's fine, Nagaraj. That's fine. Don't think like latest version, these questions, those questions. So it's a mock. So you how the interview will be there. They will be making you ready for the real one. So obviously your questions will be somewhat high level, right? So don't think of like I didn't answer. What happens? You are good at the concepts. Just
thank you,
explore
ma'am.
yourself. Be strong in your concepts. Whatever answer you're giving, be strong on that. Clear? And
clear, ma'am.
for confusion, even in the class when we discuss, I'll ask you like I'll make you that maybe it's wrong, but you need to be strong about your answer. They'll be confusing you for sure. They'll be confusing it because version to version you'll be thinking of first question itself. Which version do you know? This version, that version. You'll be thinking of maybe concept may be different, but no, concepts are almost somewhat advanced. Concept will be there in the latest versions. That's it.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay, just be confident. You did good in the interview, and
Yeah, thank you,
just improve your some more concepts and make strong on your concepts.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Sure.
Good. And then Rashmi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how was your interview?
It's okay, ma'am. After that technical issue, so I am disqualified.
Technical issue. You can set it out. That you should not think that it's disqualified. At that time, technically it's not good, but it's a mock, right? So coming to real time, just make sure that your network and everything is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you should not get any technical things over there.
Yes, ma'am.
Because you know whatever answers you are giving, if somewhere network issue and it was breakdown, they may not be clear and they may be went wrong to the interviewer, and there it will be miscommunication. So be strong, don't worry, just make your technically right and make your concept strong. Be confident on giving your answer and improve your communication skills on that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Srikanth.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Srikanth.
Yeah, ma'am.
How was your?
Ma'am, not as much expected, ma'am. Got little bit tense, and simple Java programs also I failed to execute. And in Java, I answered some questions, but they asked me more questions about on core Java, where I'm not that much confident. So I honestly accepted. Yeah, ma'am.
So here, what you need to think is,
Yes, ma'am.
you know the concept, right?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're knowing the concept, why you're feeling tensed?
I don't know, ma'am.
It's just an interview. It's just an interview. That's it. So if not this, like somewhere big opportunity will be waiting upon.
Yeah.
Right. So if you feel tensed, there what you will be missing the concept somewhere. You can't explain it in a confident way.
Yeah, ma'am.
So why to give that? Because you know concepts, you are very good at the concept, technically good. You're solving the queries, solving the problems in the sessions.
Yeah, ma'am.
So that only just remove your tension part. The interview is just you need to showcase your knowledge over there.
Yeah, ma'am.
Don't expect like if I selected or not select. That is secondary. Just be confident on your answers and give the answers.
Yeah, ma'am. Sure.
Okay. So yeah, this is mock. That's fine. But next interview, just be strong. Don't get tensed.
Ma'am,
If it's not, then you'll be getting a bigger opportunity. Just be calm and focus on your questions and answers.
Ma'am, what about my communication skills?
Communications were fine, but you are very slow. So due to tension that happens, you should not be slow. Be confident. Bold talking should be there.
Okay.
Okay, while looking into the interviews, like while going on with your interviews, what you need to do is you need to be bold, straightforward, and answer it very much. Like it's not. It should be not too loud. It shouldn't be not too slow.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so that is
Okay.
what communication was good. See, daily I'm communicating with you. It's good. If anything, I'll inform, right? So don't worry
Yeah.
about it. Just be bold, remove your tension, everything will be set.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, we'll do that.
Okay, so just prepare your technically and prepare yourself for the interview.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So yeah, next Durgesh. Durgesh. Yes, Durgesh. Are you there? And then Sakshi.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Sakshi, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How's you?
How was your interview? I'm fine, good. How was your interview?
Ma'am, it was good. I can't say it was bad because it asked me 8 questions and I had I was not sure about, I'm not sure about the questions when I was not, I wasn't know serious family issues. So I was break down and she told me to, she said, leave for now. So even I had not joined my laptop because so many guests in my house over there. So I can't, I just attended because.
Yeah, I know, that's fine. That's fine. We have a lot of interviews ahead. Be strong, okay? Just be strong. You're good. I know you're technically good. You're solving daily with me. So don't worry about it. Just be strong. You have a lot of interviews ahead. Okay.
Okay.
Suresh.
Yes,
Suresh.
Yes, ma'am.
How was your interview?
Ma'am, I missed it, ma'am.
You missed it. Why?
Yeah, some disturbances. I connected, ma'am, at the 4 o'clock, but also disconnected. Then I connected. This is the process going on, ma'am. So that I disconnected.
Okay. It's okay, fine. You should not write. Whenever interview is there, try to attend the interview. Mock interviews were very clear. See, now all of them have attended. They got a good suggestions. They'll be improving for the next interview. So just try to attend and see what, take all the suggestions. As you didn't attend it, take all the suggestions for everyone what I'm giving. Be confident on your answers. Develop your communication skills. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Technically, you need to be strong, and so you should be somewhat bold in the talking. You should not talk very slowly, and just don't confuse on the topics while interview asking. You need to be very confident on your answers. Maybe they'll be confusing you for sure. They'll be confusing you. You need to go in depth on the basic concepts. Basic.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Yeah.
Ma'am, I missed it, but when I get another interview,
another mock that you'll be getting from other source. From my side, I don't have any idea on it. Okay. And then Nilesh.
Yes, ma'am.
How was your interview, Nilesh?
Ma'am, I was confused in Java 8 coding. So, other is good.
Okay.
Yes.
You were confusing?
Java 8.
Java 8?
Yeah.
Version?
Yes, Java 8 version.
What they asked? What the question they asked? Did they ask any comparison between the versions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that got confused to you?
I'm not preparing properly, so only prepare for core Java basic.
Okay. Okay,
and
okay.
coding. Yes. This is advanced in 8 Java, so not
Yes, yes.
work.
Yes, yes, I get your point. I get your point. And apart from that, remaining questions, did you answer? Did you write the programs,
No,
whatever they
memory.
asked?
I'm not writing properly. So Java 8 code is not
Again,
practically.
don't tell Java 8 or Java 11. It's Java, that's it. Okay. So
And this
8 and 11,
advanced.
just some concepts. Yeah, advanced Java. Yep, you
I'm
can
only
go with
preparing 7.
advanced.
Yes.
You're preparing for core Java, right?
Yes.
They asked somewhat advanced Java that made you confused. That's it. So you are
Yes,
good in technical terminology. So be strong and develop your communication skills towards the answers given, how you need to give and all. Just be strong. You're good. No need to worry about it. So you're just confused. That's it. So don't make any kind of confusion further. Okay. So obviously mock interview will be somewhat high level. So you no need to worry. You are good in the concepts. Just be strong.
Okay, ma'am.
Yep. Next. Abhishek, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
How was your interview?
I'm good.
Good.
Asking some theoretical question, and after programming, I don't understand. So, ma'am, I'm not prepared programming.
Okay.
I don't say programming. Not be prepared program. I did not.
Okay. Try to go on, practice code, practice technical, try to attend regularly over here. So you will have, we will make you technically strong. Okay.
Ma'am,
So
yesterday I'm not.
Yesterday?
Ma'am, I'm not prepared programming. Then I don't.
That's okay, fine. That's okay, fine. Prepare yourself for the next one and be strong. Give the strong answers and improve your technical skills and even communication skills. That makes yourself clear to your interviewer. Whatever the concept you're thinking, whatever the question they are asking, they are expecting some relative answer. So you should be able, whatever your view has to be, make others to understand. So that is what important in that. So there, how it's not how technically you are strong, you will be solving the errors with a span of time, whatever errors occurs, and you'll be writing the code. That's fine. But they have to know that you can do it. That is important, right? So just be clear on that and try to analyze yourself, try to improve your concepts and make your concepts strong. And Shahul, is he here? I don't think he's here. Yeah. So almost we are done with everyone, I think. So yes, guys. So don't worry. They have asked a bit advanced, so don't worry about it. Please be strong in your concepts. You need to be well prepared with the communication skills. Until now, we have just go on with the technical stuff. But with that, you need to be strong with the communication skills just to make them sure that you are sure and you are confident on your technical and you are skilled person in technical. To make them know that you are strong in technical, you should have communication skills. Then only you will be make them understand in that little time. Because here that's fine. We are just conversation like hardly 1-2 weeks we have done, like we were going on. It's fine with me because I can understand. Yes, you know, if not now, you will be doing it later. But coming to interviewer in that half an hour or 1 hour of time, they need to know you. For that, what you need to do, you need to develop your confidence level to communicate with them. It's not that only fluency it matters. So there you need to be able to show your concepts. And everyone were really good in technical. So don't discourage yourself. Just really good in technical. And you need to just be confident. You are a little bit tensed. So if you remove your tension, that's it. You are very good one. So your company will be very happy, like if they hire you. So think in that manner. Think just very positively, remove your tension, You'll be very fine in the interview. Clear? So we'll refresh all the concepts again from the core Java 2. So now, yeah, let's go into the concepts. Let me pose you some kind of Java questions. So very basic question. What is Java?
Java is a programming language.
High-level programming language.
Popular.
One second. Someone told programming language. Someone told high-level programming language. Still, I'll show you the differentiation how you need to answer over there for the simple question. Just go on with your answers.
Java is a high-level programming language, and it's a platform-independent language. It's like Java, write once, run anywhere. We can run on any platform, Java. And high-level language means it's like common English language. We can easily understandable, and it's more security. That's it, ma'am.
That's it. So here, that's fine. More security, high level, these all things were okay, good. I can understand, like, you know what is Java. But what I need to understand that you are technically strong in Java. So that what you need to include some technical terminology inside. How you need to include Java is a high level, object oriented, robust, secure programming language. And it is a platform independent, high performance, multi-threaded and portable programming language. It was developed by James Gosling in June 1991. It can also be known as a platform as it provides its own JRE and API. So now the same Java, what is Java? Even you have told the answer, even I have given you the answer. So now the answer itself states that how technically you are strong. So try to use some technical words. So here I have used just PHS inside it. I didn't tell you complete definition. Only it's a programming language. Yes, it defines the definition. That's it. Single word definition also we can give. But to prove yourself technically strong, what you need to do, you need to include technical terminologies. For that, including, we can go with the same simple question, what is Java? I have went through all the different features of the Java and who it's developed. And what it can also provide a platform. I have included this like JRE and API. These two terminologies added advantage in that answer. So this is how you need to just go on giving. Okay, see, everyone will be giving yes, Java is a programming language, very secure, and it's an easy English, it's high level, we can understand. Everyone almost somewhat differ. You have to show just with your technical terms. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Only Pratap remaining? Still confused?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear. And now, just tell me the difference between C++ and Java.
C++ is not an object-oriented, but not an fully object-oriented, but Java is completely an object-oriented.
No.
Oops. Then C++ supports pointer, whereas Java does not support pointer.
Yes, that point fine. Still, go to statement support C++ and it does not support in Java.
Go to statement, yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Multiple inheritance also same case.
Multiple inheritance C++ supports, but Java does not support.
Operator overloading also same case.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Pointers.
Destructors.
Yep. Destructors. So these all you need to tell. You need to tell the concepts between those things. Because both were platform. One is like C++ platform dependent, Java platform independent. That also you can include. And object oriented in the sense, no, both were not purely object oriented.
Yes, ma'am. In Java, we use wrapper class.
Yes. That is the reason it's better not to take that word.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Because both the details were similar. both are not purely object-oriented. And yeah, mainly used for system programming, and here used for application programming like Windows, Office, Enterprise, and mobile.
Yes, ma'am. C++
This
programs
is about
without class also, but Java cannot write without class, ma'am.
yes. Yeah. Now, features I have included in the definition itself: simple, object-oriented, portable, platform independent, secure, robust, interpreted, high performance, multi-threaded, distributed, dynamic. These are all the features which we have included in the definition itself. So they'll be skipping up this question, right? So if ever they wants to just scan you completely in the Java. Then Java Virtual Machine. What do you understand by Java Virtual Machine? JVM. Think.
Ma'am, it's a platform that provides provides the features like Java is platform independent.
To run on different platforms, we use JVM.
Java Virtual Machine is a virtual machine, first of all, that enables a computer to run the Java program. It acts like runtime engine, which calls the main method present in the Java code, right? Java code is compiled by JVM to be a bytecode, which is machine independent and close to the native code. So at least these all, that's fine. Remove these all. At least you can just tell 2 to 3 sentences like Java virtual machine is a virtual machine that enables the computer to run the Java code. It can define it. If they ask further, then you can just go on further. And then now this is a question where, like I know some of you have faced this difference between JDK, JRE, JVM. JDK, JRE, and JVM.
JDK is a installable and JRE also. JVM is a not a installable. In JDK, we have a debugger and some compiler tools, but in the JVM only the JRE only the JVM is presentable. JVM is a just JVM is a executable engine machine. And as a developer, we install both JDK.
Yes.
If you are a tester, we are satisfied with the JRE. Okay with JRE.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. What gives Java write once and run anywhere nature?
JVM.
A platform independence.
What gives?
Dot class file. At the compilation time, we can compiler creates a dot class file. So using this dot class
bytecode. Yes.
So using this
so it's nothing but bytecode. That's it.
Yes.
Bytecode. Because Java compiler converts Java programs into class files, which is nothing but bytecode. Intermediate language between source code and machine code. This bytecode is not platform specific and can be executed any computer. And next comes with what if I write static public void instead of public static void? You'll be writing, right? Public static void main. So in the place of public static void, what if I write static public void? Any change?
No change.
No change. Here, what is public?
Public is a
Access modifier.
Access modifier. Yes. And what is static?
Executable modifier.
Static. Keyword.
Executable.
Static is a keyword.
Keyword. What is the use of static? Do we have to use static for the main?
Ma'am, to call
Yes, ma'am,
static method, object
we will get
selection is
the
not needed. So JVM can call main method by call name. And so
You will get the
static
memory
is
at the
used.
class loaded into JVM.
we will get the memory within the class, ma'am, while class loading and access with class name.
To access all static members, we use static modifier.
All these things.
Okay. Then what about void?
Yeah, it's
Void is
a
return type.
void is a keyword and it is a
Returns
return type.
nothing.
Return
It
type.
Void is
returns
it?
nothing. Keyword.
Return
Keyword.
type.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
it will not return the value, ma'am, when we execute the program or not. It will not return the value.
Okay.
It
Object
will return the
oriented. Okay. Object oriented paradigm. What is object oriented paradigm?
Interface abstraction, inheritance, and
No, ma'am.
encapsulation.
Think. You know the answer. Just think.
Repeat, ma'am, question.
Object oriented paradigm.
Paradigm.
Yep.
Object-oriented paradigm is in which we uses the object and we design the program using the object and using the code reusability, using the concept of code reusability. That's when we and uses it real time object, real time. Actually, ma'am, I read it, but I don't know that exact definition.
Okay.
But I read it. The object-oriented programming is in which we uses an object to for the design of the program like that, ma'am.
Sorry.
And modifying it.
Okay. So here object oriented paradigm, what we call is it's a programming. It is a programming paradigm based on objects having data and methods defined in the class
Yes,
to which it belongs.
Yes, ma'am. Having data and method. Yes, I forget it.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Just
sound.
You are muted, ma'am.
yes. Sorry, I was suddenly got distracted. Yeah, object-oriented paradigm is done. Then what is object?
It is a class of entity in which in class we create an
instance of a class.
Instance of a object is an instance of a class.
Object is a real-time entity of a class.
Okay. And see, some were not answering, so let me call them and ask. Mary Babu, what is a constructor?
Constructor is a method having same name of the class while executing the object while executing the object creation, and it is attached with new keyword syntax.
Okay. And how do you create like default constructor when it will be created?
Ma'am, default constructor will create automatically, ma'am.
When
After the creation of class, man.
after
Creation of
So
object.
after creation
Yes.
of yes, ma'am, objects.
After creation of object by the new keyword, your default constructor will be called upon, created and
ma'am.
called.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
constructor argument
yes,
should
ma'am,
be no parameterized.
Yes.
The
And you'll be
comparison-
having two different types or many types of constructors. What are those two types of constructors?
Parameterized constructor.
Parameterized constructor.
Without parameter.
Default constructor.
Parameterized constructor.
Parameterized, default, and
Default and
non-organized.
parameterized.
Okay. Okay. And what is parameterized constructor?
It takes
In
values.
which we pass
Argument.
the argument.
Different
Okay.
argument.
Okay. Okay. Then, okay, parameterized is already available. Then what is the use of default constructor?
Ma'am, a parameter is because if we default constructor provide the default value to the default value. If you don't declare any value, we don't declare initialize any value, then JVM will automatically provide default value by using the constructor. And in parameterized constructor, JVM don't provide default value. We have to explicitly provide the default value or initialize the value.
Default constructor is used to provide the null value or like zero value to the object.
Maybe whatever default value.
So the purpose of default constructor is to assign the default value to the objects. Creates a default constructor implicitly if there is no constructor in the class. Right? Null value itself, whatever explanation you have given, right? Do you have any return for the constructor? Any value will be returned by the constructor?
No, ma'am.
Constructor did not return any value. Method only return value.
Okay. Okay. Is it sure?
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Yes,
sure,
ma'am.
100%.
100%.
Good. Be confident on your answers. Okay. Can you inherit constructor?
No, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
No.
No,
Sure.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you make a constructor as a final? Because
No,
you
ma'am.
can't inherit,
No,
right?
ma'am. No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Even that also not possible.
No.
Constructor uses to initialize the object. If we provide any final method, then maybe the class will be not initialize the object.
Yes. Can we overload the constructors?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then that's good. What do you understand by copy constructor in Java?
Copy constructor is definitely used to copy the another array of value. Another, sorry, ma'am. Another construct copy of constructor. Another we can copy the another value of the construction and passing to the another constructor argument.
Think properly.
Actually, ma'am, I know the logic how to do it according to definition. Exactly, how can I say, ma'am, in constructor?
If we ask them, if they ask definition, then you can't give logic to them, right?
What name this ID in which we also create another constructor in which we passes the value of previous constructor name.
Okay. There is no copy constructor in Java.
Use the copy constructor, ma'am.
There is no copy constructor in Java. We can copy the values from one object to another like copy constructor in C++. But there is
value.
no separate copy constructor in Java. Just
Yes, madam.
value will be doing. Okay. So how you can make it one to other is by constructor, by assigning the values from one object to another, or by clone method you can do it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. When we declare the final image.
Clear? So that is what make clear and confident on your topics. Dig deeper, whatever you know.
Okay.
Then difference between constructors and method.
Ma'am, a difference in constructor is to use to initialize the object, and method is it is the set of in method in which we expose the behavior on an object. Constructor does not return any value. Method return the value. In constructor,
Method's name can be any method, ma'am.
constructor should be named as the class name. Method should be different name.
Yes. Good.
Constructor is invoked automatically when the object is created. No need to call.
Yeah, in method we have to call explicitly.
Okay. Let me just give a small program to you. Let me open Word. Okay, is my Word document is clear to you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is a code. Just tell me the output of this code.
One or two.
102.
That's it. Only one or two you'll get output.
Hi, I'm good also.
I am good first, and then it will print 102.
What is the concept over here? Can you see anything?
I mean, in which we extending the class, but we did not in extending we did not override any method. But that's why is hi I am good will be printed at before it will printed after I am good printed, and then after we calling the test method and will we get the I value 102.
Yes. What is this keyword?
This keyword is used to refer the current object, current class object.
Can we assign the reference to this variable?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Please
We
solve
can't.
this code.
No, ma'am.
No, this code is no. Solve this code.
Error.
Error. Why?
Null. This is equal to null. We are assigning the value null reference.
Yes. That is the reason it's error. Cannot assign a value to final variable. Yeah. Can this keyword be used to refer static members?
No, ma'am. In static we did not use refer this keyword because this keyword used to refer the object. For static it is not been
No, static members I asked.
a static member. No,
Now
ma'am. In
tell
this
me
static
the output
member,
of this code.
Done, ma'am.
yes, ma'am. It will printed, ma'am.
Will be
It
printed.
refers to the this dot I. Yes, ma'am. 10 will get.
Yes.
It will be 10 answer.
So the question is yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. This keyword is used to refer static members. It's yes, it is possible. And how can constructor chaining be done using this keyword?
May depend on one another. The value of the variable depended on one another.
One another.
Just want this dot name, this dot ID. So suppose these both are also available in other construction. We using the reference.
Solve this
It's
code.
also called constructor chaining.
Yes, ma'am. Chaining constructor.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am. This is chaining constructor.
Is this the same?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Only one or two were involving. Remaining, what
Yes,
happens,
ma'am.
Satish? And Gauri, Venkatesh, Gulshan,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
many others are there. Just involve.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone has to. Rashmi, Rishikesh, Satish.
Yes, ma'am. This is chaining constructor example. Because the value in a argument, a value we are chaining it. If public employee.
Is there any? Yeah. Is there any class which is super class for all the classes?
Object.
Object, ma'am.
class.
Very good. Why multiple inheritance not supported in Java?
Ambiguity
Because of
problem.
diamond problem.
Ambiguity due to ambiguous. Due
What
to
is
ambiguous.
that? Explain. What is that problem?
If you
JVM not
declare two
able to.
methods, if you declare two methods,
Okay, explain.
Anyone can.
Ma'am, when we
Everything.
extend the two classes at the same time, then JVL will be like confused which method we have to call. Then that is called ambiguous problem. That's why the JVM is not supported. Multiple inheritance is achieved by interfaces in which because the every interface, every method have a unique implementations. That's why multiple inheritance is possible in interface.
What is aggregation?
It is the relationship between the classes. It represents the relationship between the classes.
Aggregation is also known as a relation. Nothing.
It is a relationship between relationship between object and class.
composition is known as Hazi relation.
Ma'am, creating object of a class in another class is known as aggregation.
Aggregation can be defined as a relationship between two classes where aggregate class contained a reference to the class its own. And aggregation is best described as a relationship.
Yes, sir. If the container has a contain object, if the container is not available, then is a possibility of the contain object. That is called, there is a weak relationship between the in aggregation.
Yeah. And composition?
In this, have a strong relationship between the two classes. If the contain object, if the container has a contain object,
doesn't without have
contain
a
object does not exist between does not
class.
exist because of container.
Okay. And what is super in Java?
Super is used to refer the parent class object. Super is keyword. It is used to refer the parent class.
Okay. Output of this?
Dog is created.
Dog is created.
Dog is created.
Yes, ma'am.
Animal is not created.
Animal also created.
Animal first.
Animal also created.
No, ma'am. Dog is created.
Animal is created and then dog is created.
Because of a default. Because default super method is calling in this way. So in the dog constructor, at the top default super parenthesis is there. So it calls first the super parenthesis through the super parent class. So first animal is created, then dog is created.
Ma'am, using the child class object, we created we calling the child method, which is called the dog is created method. How can it call animal is created?
By default,
here super
JVM
keyword
provides the super keyword, super parenthesis. In the place of the dog constructor, default constructor, at the top.
I see a dog.
Yeah.
By default, yeah.
Clear, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How can a constructor, yeah, chaining is done, right?
Using these and super method.
Difference between this and super keyword?
This is used to refer the current class
Current
object.
object.
Super is used to refer the parent class object. This
Class
and
object.
super used should be declared in first line.
Okay. Super keyword always points to the parent class contents, right?
This is not.
Whereas this keyword always points to current class.
Current object. Yes.
But in constructor, there is these and super methods, which are by default in there. That are for only constructors.
Yep. What is the answer?
Person class constructor called and employee class constructor called.
What is the concept over here?
Only employee class constructor called.
Employee class constructor code.
Bro,
Employee
same
class
person
constructor
class,
called.
person class constructor called and then employee class constructor called. This is
First
also
person and then employee.
yes, ma'am. This
Yes,
is
Yes,
also
ma'am.
previous one like.
Can you use this and super both in a
No, ma'am.
constructor?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
Why?
Why not?
Because of both are placed at a first row. So that is the reason.
If we declare this, it will say that
Other super will be called in first statement.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write a code to demonstrate this and super keyword.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Your time is 5 minutes.
So, ma'am, can I share my screen?
Yes, you can.
Ma'am, it's saying that host disable the permission.
1 second. Yeah.
So, ma'am, here, so I have created a constructor with these and super. If I will execute this, it will say that the super should be on the first place. And if I change this to this, and it will say that this should be at the fast pace. So it will be giving a error every time.
Okay. Next, anyone is ready? You can stop sharing.
1-2 minute more.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, go ahead, Rishikesh.
Ma'am, this will do like I have created a super method and also this. So addition will get printed and parent will also be called.
Okay. Next, if anyone are ready.
बाद कितनी डिटेलिंग करें वो सब इतना होता नहीं है वैसे। Hello,
Yes, Ravikant.
this is for this method in which we first class a student and this provide ID and name. By using this, when we provided the value should be given by here and okay, value will be given by this. This will be referred and we call this method by the display should be calling by this method. We created
But
display method pointing ID and name. Ma'am, for super method, I created a string name by using super method. By declaring super.name method, the name with method will be called this, not this.
Okay, good, Ravikant. You can stop sharing. Yes, you have completed, whoever have completed, work on exception handlings. Write a code for exception handlings.
Arithmetic, something like that.
Yes.
Just learn pointer.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, nobody have done the first one even. Yes, Satish, you didn't do it. Satish, Sudhir have done first one. Rashmi, Nilesh, Nitin.
Hello.
Yes, Gulshan, please go on.
Ma'am, this is program for using super keyword. Here is a parent class, and we will define the value of a equal to 10. And this is a default constructor or this is parameterized constructor.
Okay.
And we create void so method that I am in A. And there is a child class. Here we will assign A is equal to 20, and this is the child constructor. Here we define the value super equal to 50. This value is automatically replace A equal to 10. And we will create a method void so, and here we super dot so it will automatically call the parent class so method. And then after the execution of a parent class so method, then it will execute the child class so method that I am in a B. And here we will fetch the value of A, that will be A super equal to 50, there super equal to A. It will be fetch value of A, that is a parent class, and here we will new child equal dot show method. Here is the I am in A by this method, and after this I am in B, and after that the value of A we will assign here in super class, super keyword.
Okay.
And this is for this class, this keyword. This program is for this keyword. Here we will parent class, and we value is equal to A equal to 10, and void sum method, and where we will call, and where in this we will pass this keyword to fetch the address of A, and value of A is equal to 10. Address is this for A equal to 10, and the value of A is 10.
Okay. Yeah, fine, Gulshan, you can stop sharing the screen.
Okay.
Next, about exceptions, I have given so 2 programs you need to do. Once if anyone execute exceptions, then I'll be going with the next one.
Ma'am, can I share my screen now? Hello.
Yes, you can just carry on.
On exceptions, ma'am.
Yeah, share your screen.
So this is file not sorry. So this is file not found exception. And this is type mismatch. And this is SQL exception, whose SQL exception. And this is arithmetic exception. And this is null pointer exception. And and this is string array, string index of the boundary system. That's it, man.
Sudhir, can you show me the difference between throw and throws in the program?
Throw and throws.
Yes.
And throws means you have to throw the exception.
Yeah, where I need to give in the programs. Just code it and show.
This is throws exception.
You have to declare a SQL number format like that. Class not found exception, have to declare it.
Yes, ma'am. So if you have to use your throw keyword, you can declare inside the method, like here. And if you use the throws keyword, you have to declare the right side of the method. And it throws the exception, which exception is occurs. Is it right?
Yeah. Still have a brief in that part, okay?
Okay. Thank you. Can I stop sharing?
And stop sharing, yes. Next.
Ma'am, this is for arithmetic exception. This was null pointer exception. This one for index out of bound exception, ma'am. So this is the value 5. 6, we are passing the value 9. In which file not found except a file does not exist as abstraction where reading the file. Ma'am, last one is yeah, we getting the character which is a string out of bound. That is a string as caret at 30, which is not available. And number is number format, ma'am. We pass.
Okay.
This we have declared number format. Yes, ma'am. That's it.
Okay. Great. Once exception is done, just go with interface concept. Write a code for that.
Ma'am, again the question, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Interface. Okay, ma'am.
Hello.
Interface, Sudhir.
Only interface.
Yes, interface demo you need to do.
Okay. Ma'am, can I share my screen?
Please go ahead, Sudhir.
So here is the interface. Which I'm seeing. So I have declared a class A, sorry, interface A, where I have variable A, value 10, and interface B, value and value B is 20. And after that, I have a class, I have taken a class and which implements both A and B, and I have printed them value of A and B. This is a short example.
Okay. Okay, good. What is the keyword used from inheriting interface to interface?
Implements, ma'am.
What is the keyword used from interface to class?
Extends.
Class to interface?
Implements, ma'am. If there is a interface, it will be implements. If there is only class, it will be extends.
Okay. Yeah, you can stop sharing, Sudhir. Next, Satish, you are not doing today. Nilesh.
Ma'am, two programs are done from my side.
Yeah, you can share your screen.
Okay, he shared. So I'll wait.
Interface, ma'am.
Okay.
I declare interface shape, extending it by implementing. By another, this implementation is extended another by square. And in this class main method, we call this by using this interface name, calling the rectangle method and printing the as true. And is it correct? Is it correct?
Execute it.
I have not tested it. It's just showing, ma'am. Is it correct?
Yeah, that is what you need to test it, right? You need to execute it.
Okay, ma'am.
System will give you is it correct or not. Execute it. Multiple you have done, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next.
I have created an interface called n. Where I have a print method and final int is equal to 102. And in public class, I am implementing this interface and implementing its method void print here. And after in the static void method, I am creating a IT object of interface test, and I'll call the print method. It will call this method, and after that I'll print the value of a with it. If I change the as a specifier to public, it can be able to change the value of it. Okay, is not possible. So here is the output, and other program is I have created a my custom exception where I have named it at my exp extend exception. That is a constructor which we are going to call after the exception occurs. In published method, main method, how to use throws my exp, that is my custom exception. I created two variables. I have asked for the input. After that, if it is equal to 0, then I'll throw my custom exception, that is my exp, and I'll pass the parameter as dividing by 0 error. Otherwise, I'll print the division of it. So let me do this, and this is okay, but see, if I do this, then I'll get an error like exception as dividing by 0. Yes, ma'am, that's from my side.
Good, Rishikesh, you can stop sharing. Yes, guys, that's all for today. We'll be meeting up tomorrow. Today, Satish, like you are not involved. I don't know why, maybe technical issue. Remaining very good, Ravikant. You have really done session and interview also good. Rishikesh, good. Sudhir, whoever are involved, very good, guys. Please try to involve tomorrow also. Try to prepare for your interview. So these sessions were just to drill your concepts. So if you attend and if you involve in these sessions, you will be knowing the new things, or you'll be knowing how to express your, how to give your interview. Yes, guys, that's all for today. We'll be meeting up tomorrow again at 6 p.m.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Tomorrow, in the sense Monday.
Tomorrow, Monday is in interview, ma'am.
Okay, but I didn't get any. So all the best for your interviews then.
Yes, ma'am. Now this is the last season, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, carry on. Bye.